Welcome to Crafted Wood Studio. I'm thrilled you've joined us today as we take a fascinating journey through time. This episode is titled Grains of Time, History in Woodcraft. We'll explore how woodcraft has evolved from ancient history to contemporary techniques, revealing the artistry and cultural significance that wooden creations hold. So, why wood? Throughout human history, wood has been a vital resource. It's not just a material, it's a medium of expression. From the earliest tools to intricate furniture, woodcraft tells a story about human ingenuity. Let's start our journey in the Stone Age, around 2.6 million years ago. Early humans used wood for essential tools, such as spears and huts. Imagine living in a wooden structure, surrounded by the tools made from the very trees around you. This close relationship with nature laid the foundation for woodcraft. By the time we reached the Bronze Age, around 3000 BCE, woodcraft had begun to evolve into an art form. Ancient Egyptians crafted intricately carved wooden furniture, and they even made elaborate coffins. These pieces weren't just functional, they were imbued with cultural significance and artistry. Fast forward to the Greco-Roman period. Both Greeks and Romans utilized wood for creating everything from ships to temples. The Greeks loved to use finely grained woods like cedar and walnut. They believed that the wood's beauty reflected a closer connection to the gods. Fascinating, isn't it? As we moved into the Middle Ages, craftsmanship flourished. Guilds formed to train woodworkers, and carpenters became vital members of society. Think about it, the lumber industry was booming, but it wasn't just about building structures, it was about artistry. Decorative wooden carvings became prominent in Europe. Many artisans traveled from place to place, sharing techniques passed down through generations. In these bustling towns, creativity thrived. Churches and cathedrals featured intricate wooden accents. The doors of Notre Dame, for example, employed advanced joinery techniques that still amaze us today. But history didn't stop there. As we entered the Renaissance, the relationship between art and woodworking deepened. Furniture makers began to see their creations not just as functional items but as works of art. Ornate chairs and tables were adorned with carvings that celebrated storytelling and nature. This brings us to the 17th century, known as the Golden Age of furniture. Countries like France and England became hotbeds for exquisite furniture design. In France, Louis XIV commissioned lavish designs that showcased craftsmanship and opulence. Think about the craftsmanship involved. You are looking at pieces that dazzled the eyes and expressed the wealth of the owners. Meanwhile, in England, the William and Mary style emerged, blending influences from Holland with English tastes. The result? Gracious, elegant designs that emphasized practicality and beauty. The craftsmanship during this period set new standards, influencing generations that followed. As we moved into the 19th century, new technologies began to change the landscape of woodworking. The Industrial Revolution introduced machinery that made cutting and shaping wood easier and faster. Though some traditional techniques began to fade, the art of woodworking adapted, blending innovation with tradition. This brings us to the 20th century and the world of modern woodcraft. Woodworkers began experimenting with new styles, from Art Deco to mid-century modern. The aesthetic shifted toward minimalism and functional design, focusing on the beauty of simplicity. Today, we celebrate a resurgence in handcrafted woodcraft, embracing the slow movement that emphasizes quality over quantity. Artisans worldwide are reviving traditional techniques while mixing them with contemporary designs. Pieces crafted today tell a story of their own. Now, what does that mean for us as modern woodworkers? It's an invitation to honor the past while creating something new. When you pick up your tools, remember that you're not just crafting wood, you're participating in a timeless tradition that transcends cultures and generations. Let's take a moment to explore some specific tools and techniques that have stood the test of time. For instance, the use of the hand plane dates back to ancient Egypt. This simple yet essential tool remains a favorite among woodworkers for its ability to create perfect surfaces. Another technique, dovetail joinery, has been around for centuries. This beautiful, interlocking joint not only showcases craftsmanship but also provides incredible strength. The joy of creating a dovetail joint is in the challenge and satisfaction it brings. As we look at the craftsmanship involved, it's essential to acknowledge the materials we use. Each type of wood has its own story. Oak, for instance, symbolizes strength and endurance, while walnut carries a sense of warmth and elegance. Understanding your materials is crucial to creating pieces that resonate with history and personality. To truly appreciate woodcraft, seek inspiration in the world around you. Visit museums that display antique furniture or architecture. Dive into books that explore the art of woodworking. Each piece carries a narrative, and by learning about it, you enrich your own craft. As we wrap up this exploration of woodcraft through time, I hope you feel encouraged to delve deeper into your own woodworking journey. Remember, each creation you craft contributes to this rich tapestry of history. So pick up your tools and let your creativity flow. If you enjoyed this journey through the history of woodcraft, we'd love for you to show your support. Please like this video, share it with your fellow wood lovers, and subscribe to Crafted Wood Studio for more insights and inspiration. Together, we can keep the art of woodworking alive. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, keep crafting and connecting through wood.